Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will see advanced regex techniques in Perl, which is look ahead, look behind, and grouping. This is also very important part to understand the regex. So let's start here with first one, that is positive look ahead, which is question mark and equal to. Ensuring a pattern exists ahead. For example, match hello if only if followed by world. So we are saying hello world, and in the matching we are saying world hello, and then after that we are saying question mark equal to and slash s world. That means we are saying that match hello only if it is followed by world. That means it is next character is next word is world. Then we are saying match found. If anything else, then we will say false. So this look ahead is very important for the application, where we can say question mark equal to 3 dot ensure world appears after hello but does not capture it. Next thing is negative negative look ahead, which is question mark and not symbol, ensuring pattern does not exist ahead. That is hello only, match hello only if not followed by world. So hello everyone, for that we can use question mark and not symbol. Then we have positive look behind, and for positive look behind we can use question mark and then less than equal to symbol. So match world only if it is preceded by hello. So here we are checking starting with world but checking if it is followed by hello or not. So in that case we can use question mark less than equal to symbol. Similarly, we can see for negation one, that is question mark and less than not equal to. In this case, match world if only if not preceded by hello. So here we can say hi. If it is hello, then you will get false. But if it's hi, which is not hello, then in that case you can use not symbol, just to ensure that it is working fine. Now, one more thing, important thing that we have already seen, that is grouping and capturing. So if we have text, word, sentence, and from that we wanted to extract something, we can use grouping things. We can use braces, small braces, and then using dollar sign you can get that value. This is the thing that we have also seen. If you don't want to get that capture, then you have to use question mark and colon. Then though that value you will not get from that dollar symbol. $1, $2, that will not belong in that particular part. Similarly, extracting domain from email ID. So if we have this email ID, we wanted to extract only example.com, then we can use look behind and grouping. So here we can say that question mark less than equal to at the rate, that means it should start with start after that at the rate, and then it should contain dot. If that is true, then get that value, because we have used this braces. So in that case we can get domain $1 and we can get value from there. So we can see little bit more real-time example in the next lesson. See you there. Thank you.